Siyabingelela ngani zakwethu, siyacela uma uqala ungena kuleli khasi lethu wenza ubulungisa ucofa subscribe button le channel yethu Umkhosi. Hey wengane zakwethu-ke, lana-ke siniphathele uZola 7. Ziningi-ke izingoma azicula ngaphambilini njengomculi we-kwaito. Waduma kakhulu kuZola 7 ecula nje izingoma ezimnandi-ke, wagcina futhi-ke ebe ne-show eyayibizwa ngoZola 7. Ezinye-ke zey'ngoma zakhe-ke zazithi lova thatha ikhava sesiyavela. Yabona nje ziningi iy'ngoma, singabala sithini izingoma zikaZola 7. Kodwa-ke lana-ke okuqaphelekayo ubesemsakazweni iMetro, lana-ke kuzobungazwa nje noma be-celebrate-a uZola 7. Nalapho-ke kuvele khona ukuthi-ke uZola 7 kunengoma azoyikhipha soon soon. So ngaleso sikhathi-ke ngane zakwethu-ke babe sebefonela ingane yakhe. Ingane yakhe-ke ayithole impela ngaleziya y'khathi esawumculi oshisa izikhotha, waze wabhala ingoma. Wabhala ingoma wathi ulwandle, wacula impela nje ngaleyo ngoma eyayicula ngolwandle, okuyingane yakhe esicabanga ukuthi-ke ingane yakhe yentombazane okwakuyindodakazi yakhe. So ngalesikhathi-ke ekwi-Metro ebiziwe ukuthi-ke lana-ke nje baya-celebrate-a uZola 7. Ngaleso sikhathi base befonela ingane yakhe, ila ebese khala khona-ke izinyembezi uZola 7 ngoba uthi uyena esibhedlela wayinquma inkaba, ukukhombisa ukuthi-ke wayenothando olukhulu ngayo. Ngane zakwethu uhluleke ngisho nakuzibamba-ke khala izinyembezi, ngisho-ke nomuntu okade ehamba naye ukhalile. Mina nawe ngane zakwethu bengathanda sihlangane kwi-comment section nayo-ke video singanibambezile, siphinde sihlangana kwividiyo elandela. Danko.
Ngiyabonga sisana. Zola 7, Lwandle on Metro.
I was just talking about you. My babe.
The songs artists find difficulty in performing.
Yeah.
Which one is it for you?
They say people have died.
Ish.
Producers have died, and so these songs take me there. So it becomes a very emotional thing.
Why is it hard to perform Lwandle? I'm curious. As a father.
As a father, it's because izibulo lelo. So I know how to become a dad through Yang. I perform it, but it's a very emotional song because on the day Ulwandle was being born, I got a call. I just driven into the yard. And I got a call and they said she's coming. Call all my boys, the boys are not there. I reversed. I don't even think I locked the house. Drove all the way to Durban South. Yes, I was like, you will not come out until I arrive.
Wow.
She waited for me.
Oh, that's cute.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And then when my sister gave me her, that I just first the doctor gave me a scare,
Yeah.
something mushy that I'm supposed to cut.
The umbilical cord.
Yeah. What the hell?
What is this?
Yeah, it's mushy. And then my sister wanted to give me the child, and I was like, I cried. I walked away.
Yeah.
And I came back after like an hour. I was like, okay, fine. Here's a human being. And I could see her, how she looked at me.
Yeah.
We can't say this on radio, but she was like, you brought me here, don't.
Yeah, don't ruin it.
So, and then after that, you just break down as a teacher.
Yes.
A child will teach you how to be human again.
Yeah. Morning. Hello. How are you? I'm awesome. I got this person with us. We celebrate him. He's a legendary figure. Mm-hmm. For you, how do you know this man? So who's this?
Hello, boo.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Yeah.
You doing this?
Yeah.
I was just talking about you. My babe. I love you too. Angamagama. I love you so much. Nami ngiyabonga ukuthi uziphathe kahle. Uzama ungiphoqa.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Manje ngaphambi ukuthi udrop ifoni sisine.
Yeah.
The first time when uzwa ingoma uLwandle ubona ngani?
Yeah.
And into ethanda ngayo ingoma? Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga sisine. Zola 7 Lwandle on Metro.
Yo.
Sikuphathele ezishisayo, hlala nomgosi kusukela Monday kuya ku-Sunday. Ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe button kule channel yethu.